Hi, welcome back. This is my 16th day for 100 days of code challenge. And for today, we have a problem. Find longest palindromic substring. Given a string S, return the longest palindromic substring in S. Example number 1. When we have input BABAD, the output will be BAB because we can see that on the input the longest palindrome should be BAB or also can ABA, but BAD is not palindromic. And example number 2, when we have input CBBD and the output will be BB. Okay, makes sense, right? So let's try to solve this problem. So the first thing that we gonna do is we will need a helper function to check a palindrome string, and then second thing is we will check for a string that will be possible being the longest palindrome. And then we compare between substring and choose the longest one. And then I think that's it. Let's start to create our helper function check palindrome. We will have string and outputs boolean. So here we will have let's I as the length, and then while I larger than 0, and we need let's reverse version of the string, and then the length. Okay, yeah, I think this should be as length -1, and here reverse with SI and I means, and then return the reverse equal with original string. Yeah, I think that's it for our check palindrome function. And here we will find the longest substring that will be possible to be palindrome. So we will have let's I is 0 and let's n is as the length. So here we will have another while loop with I smaller than as the length or n. And then here we can check let's is palindrome as the substring I and n. If is palindrome, we will save the text. Let's palindrome, and here this should be target string, and here is palindrome. Check palindrome target string, and then we will save the palindrome is equal target string. And another condition that we need to check is if target string is the length is larger than current palindrome. The length, so it will update to this palindrome variable, and then to make our loop stop we need to I think we need to decrement for n, and if n is equal with 0, we will increase the I value. So this will be first thing, we will check all of string, and then we will check 0 with this 1 2 3 4, the 4th index and the 3rd index, and 1 and 2 index and 1, and then we will next to do a b a d and etc. So here we shall get the palindrome string, then we need to return palindrome. Alright, let's try to run our code. Nice, it works smoothly. Try another test case example. I'm not sure this will be yeah, we got the wrong answer for BAB, C, BAB, BB. Why we got C here? Okay, when we have cbbd. Okay, let's say we will have the first thing is target string 0, and this n should be cbbd, n should be 4. So first thing, we will get all of the string to be checked, and this should be not palindrome. And the second thing, when we decrease n, we'll get cbb, and this still not palindrome, and until we get bb. Okay, what's went wrong? Let's I the length. Okay. We have reverse and reverse here. Okay, and here we have I, and this n as the length. Okay, and palindrome here. Okay, target as substring en n 0 and 4, 0 3 0 2 0 1 and 0 0, and 1 1 3 1 2 and 1 1. So when the index I is 1 and n is 2 bb, this should be a palindrome. Interesting. I just think that this condition is not correct, because I and n value is always change, so we need to keep this n to be as the length, so this will be always same value until I increments, and then the condition is met for, so the while will be stopped. Okay, let's try again. Okay, time limit exceed what? Okay, one more thing that I miss here is we need to reset the n value into the s dot length. So when n decrease the value to 0, we need to reset the n value to the initial state, which is s dot length. and let's try to run our code again. Nice. Let's try test case example. Okay, I think this will be work. Let's try to submit for final result. Alright, time limit exceed. So I think what happened here is the input is very long, and in our function is occur a lot of iteration. The first thing is in this while loop, this will be considered as O and 2 because yeah, the while I and the while of n. So this is very long while loop, and also here we have another O n. And yeah, I think I need to find out and explore another solutions to make to avoid the time limit exceeds. Let's try to submit one more time. Okay, the same thing here. So yeah, I need to investigate this on the next time, and let's see if I can solve this problem or not. And yeah, I need to close our today challenge, and thank you for watching. And please don't forget, if you have a better solutions, please let me know in the comments, and please like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.